फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। मैं आपको एक नई स्ट्रेटजी बताने जा रहा हूँ जो कि पैटर्न पे बेस है। पैटर्न यूजुअली जो है वीक्स टू मंथ्स लेते हैं फॉर्म होने में, बट इनका बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है स्विंग ट्रेडिंग में और स्टॉक के मूवमेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करने में। These patterns are called wedge, WEDGE, wedges और wedge। इसमें जो है टाइम फ्रेम 15 मिनट 30 मिनट का हम ले सकते हैं। रेस्ट ऑल I already covered, so we will cover 3 pattern: falling wedge pattern, rising wedge pattern, and the last, which I will say as a symmetrical wedge pattern. So there are 3 kinds of patterns, so I will try to cover each angle of these patterns. So let's go ahead with falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge pattern, known as a descending wedge, is useful pattern for the signal future bullish momentum. So we get bullish momentum on that. This article provides a technical approach to trading falling wedge using forex, gold, etc. What is falling wedge pattern? The falling wedge pattern is a continuation of pattern formed when prices bounces between downtrend sloping converging trend lines. It is considered to a bullish chart formation but can indicate reversal and continuation pattern depend on where it appears in the trend. You see the diagram of falling wave pattern. This is the diagram. So you see there is a uptrend, then you see a pattern formed by support and resistance, then it break out. I will show you another diagram also, falling wave pattern. You see here, this is also a falling wave pattern. You have to make practice on chart, daily chart or hourly chart, so you can identify this trend easily. This is another example of falling wedge. You see here there are 2 patterns shown. One is rising wave wedge, the another is falling wedge. So in rising wedge, you see the stock is going in downtrend, then again you see there is a uptrend and wedges form, then it again go to breakdown mode or go to downtrend mode, then falling wedge. You see stock is in downtrend and then all of a sudden it forms wedge and again it will go in uptrend. So this is very clear picture, you can see, and you can go and use this in trading. Then the another diagram you can see, rising wedge, falling wedge. I am showing you a lot of diagrams so you can remember all those things and you can put in mind, so it will be easy for trading. You see this is again, this has been shown how price has went down after making wedge. Rising wedge pattern. The rising wedge pattern is opposite of falling wedge pattern, is observed downtrending market. We already seen. The trader ought to difference between rising wedge and falling wedge pattern in order to identify and trade them effectively. Now we go how we can identify falling wedge pattern. The falling wedge pattern is interpreted as both bullish continuation and bullish reversal, which give us rise to some confusion in the identification of pattern. Both scenario contains different market condition which must be taken into consideration. The differentiating factor that separate in the continuation and reversal pattern is the direction of trend. When falling wedge appear, a falling wedge is a continuation pattern, if pattern in uptrend, and a reversal pattern when it appears in the downtrend. So continuation or reversal pattern, identify an uptrend or downtrend, link lower highs and lower lows using trend line. So you have to use the trend line. These two lines will slope, downturn and converge. I already told you this. Look for divergence between price and oscillator. You can use the indicator like RSI and stochastic. Oversold signals can be confirmed by other technical like oscillators. Look for break above resistance of long entry. How to trade falling wedge pattern? So below are the various ways to trade the falling wedge pattern using technical analysis. The first is falling wedge continuation pattern. The descending wedge pattern appear within uptrend when the price tend to consolidate on or trade in more sideways fashion. Connecting the lower highs and lower lows will reveal the slight downtrend slant to the wedge pattern before price eventually rises, resulting in a falling wedge breakout to resume large uptrend. You will see that. Measuring technique to set the target levels. Trader can look to the starting point of descending wedge pattern and measure the vertical distance between support and resistance, then superimpose the same distance ahead of current price, but only once there has been a breakout. The top end of line will be the target. That I will show you. You see here. So top end line, what do you mean by top end line? You see this is a pattern and this line, top end line, when this form, this should be the target. So entry, this is, you see this is the candle. So you need second candle confirmation. Once you get second candle and it is confirmed, you go ahead with trade. And stop loss you can take it somewhere here. Once is touches and bounce back. Falling wedge reversal pattern. Trader can make use of falling wedge technical analysis to spot reversal pattern. Trader can use trend line to connect the lower highs and lower lows to make the pattern easier to spot. So you have to use the trend line. A break and close above the resistance trend line would be a signal to entry in the market. A stop loss can be placed below the recent swing low, while the target can be placed according to the measurement technique discussed above or at previous level of resistance, while adhering to positive risk reward ratio. When we get the confirmation, trader can look to volume indicators to show higher volume, greater conviction in move up. Additionally, divergence can be observed as the market is making lower lows, but stochastic indicator, it is a kind of oscillator, is making higher lows. This indicates a potential reversal. What you have to remember, key point Identification of trend is crucial. The second point, both continuation and reversal scenario are inherently bullish. Both patterns present favorable risk reward ratio as generally precede a big move. So you see a diagram here. This is a falling wedge reversal pattern, you see. So I already shown a stop, entry and target. So you go ahead with that and you will get a good profit. Advantages and limitation of the falling wedge. So what are the advantages of the falling wedge? Occur frequently within financial market. The falling wedge pattern allow trader to get into the trending market after missing the initial continuation case. Present clear stop, entry and exit level. Opportunity for favorable risk reward. This advantage can be ambiguous to novice traders, require additional confirmation using technical indicator and oscillators oftenly identified incorrectly. That is the problem. The falling wedge can be simply a reversal continuation pattern. Essential to identify this correctly. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of falling wedge pattern. So let's go ahead one more pattern, that is symmetrical wedge pattern. So let's understand symmetrical wedge pattern is another example of price action pattern. It is constructed with the same as falling wedge pattern. The symmetrical wedge pattern has the shape of symmetrical triangle. It can be recognized by the distinct shape created by diverging two trend lines. I have already told you symmetrical triangle. This is identified by drawing two trend lines. One's downward resistance trend line that connect a series of sequentially lower peaks, and one upward trend line that connect a series of subsequently higher lows, and at some point in the future the two trend lines that connect the highs and the lows will meet together at the right side of the pattern, not the left side. There are many opportunities to trade the symmetrical wedge pattern. This pattern can be a pair at the end of bullish trend as well as at the end of bearish trend. More than simply being reversal pattern, this can be traded as a continuation pattern. Oftentimes a breakout of either of the two trend lines will lead to a volatile direction move. Your job as a trader is to patiently wait and only enter once breakout occurs. So this is what this is, you see, this is a symmetrical triangle. This can break out bullish as well as bearish, and you have seen the support and resistance. Then you see how we can trade symmetrical wedge pattern. This is a bullish pattern. Now you see here symmetrical pattern trading or symmetrical pattern. You see how much you can take the profit and where you have to buy after getting confirmation on the second candle, and how you have to take the profit. That has been shown. So you just see and you can go ahead. The first and biggest step to identify pattern, then entry point and then exit point. The symmetrical pattern allows the same wedge trading strategy rules, but only the difference is that we have more practical way to measure our profit target. Summary: the reason why we have chosen falling wedge pattern, falling and symmetrical wedge pattern, because people won't realize this is developing until after breakout. But if you have trained your eyes to spot these price pattern in advantage, big profits are waiting for you down the line. You can also trade with breakout triangle strategy. The psychology behind falling wedge pattern is that the price action narrow down, the buyer become more aggressive while the seller do not have enough power to continue passing down the pedal. So this is I covered you. I have shown you all possible scenarios. So I will request you to identify this pattern on daily chart or 15 minutes chart. This can be used in swing trading and intraday trading. I will request, if you have not subscribed this video, you subscribe and press the bell icon and forward to your friend to learn the financial market. I will be coming with more technical knowledge sharing. I will try to give some good strategies on options, then research analysis also. I am going to tell you basic concept. So please be in touch always. In case of you can contact me. Please feel free. I have already shared my WhatsApp ID, mail. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Good night, friends. Thank you.